My name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. I'm so excited to show you guys last month's box of the Top Shelf Beauty. This is actually not the big box. This is actually the beauty trunk. I'm not sure if you guys can see it here, but this is the trunk, so it's actually way bigger. It's in collaboration with no one other than Lash Icon. So the reason why this is coming to you in August and not July is because I just got it this week. She was actually running a little bit late because look at her new packaging. If you remember of my other unboxings, I have a video list or like a playlist of all the unboxings I've done before. It's only the big box. This is her first trunk, so I'm so excited to get in here and see what it is. But as you can see, this is a new packaging, so it's so cute, and she didn't get them in because I'm not sure, I didn't ask her. But let's go in here and open. It says Top Shelf Beauty, the brand over here. Of course, her logo, the Fashion Lash Beauty Trunk, because it's usually the big box. What does it say here? It says Top Shelf Beauty, the brand, hashtag the Fashion Lash Beauty Box. And then she closed them this month with duct tape, and she wrote Lash Icon here. Made for you, the Fashion Lash and Beauty Obsessed, 𝒀𝑗𝑠𝑒 Chanel. So I haven't opened it. Anytime I look at Chanel's stories on Instagram at Top Shelf Beauty, the brand, I believe that's what her Instagram is, I like skip them, and all my friends that have subscriptions, I try to skip them super fast because I want to be kind of surprised. I kind of know what's in here, but to be honest, I don't know nothing. So I do get questions asked if I know what's in here before I purchase, and no, it's a surprise. That's the reason why I really like these boxes, is because they are surprises. So let's open them. This is like the first time I'm actually opening it with you guys on camera. I usually open it beforehand and kind of know what's in here, but I don't know nothing. Whoa! Warning, super dope shit inside, caution, may cause addiction. If you guys go to topshelfbeauty.com and you use code Jesicavxo, you guys do get 15% off her whole website. So she has amazing, she has like phone cases, she has a lot of things on her website, and you guys could get 15% off, like I said, using my code. So it says, shut up, you're gorgeous. I have a t-shirt that says that at Top Shelf Beauty, the brand. So of course, I'm not gonna open this, but these are mostly coupon codes in here and just like what is in here actually. So we get a tissue paper. Oh my God. I seen one person wearing this, my friend Gwen, and I was just like, I was so sad. I was like, I need to open this box ASAP, but of course, I couldn't open it without doing my YouTube video. So look at this. It's a, like a Marlboro. I don't smoke cigarettes, but it's like a cigarette box, and it says a Lash Icon, where lash artist meets fashion. Lash addict warning, a life without lashes is a boring life. Don't be a quitter. Lashes for life at Top Shelf Beauty, the brand. This is insane. This design is so dope. Oh my God, Lash Icon. Oh my God, Lauren, you killed it with this. And then the back, it says, need lashes, call 1-800-LASH. Oh my God, okay, I haven't mentioned her lash line bling on here, so if you guys do text, I'm not sure, I'm gonna ask her, and then I'll have it for sure in the description box. But I think if you text 1-800-LASH line bling, she always does a bi-weekly on Monday. She sends you a text with some cute graphics, and just like there's been how to take pictures in the past, how to take care of yourself while lashing. So it's really cute. I'll have it in the description box. And then it has the Fashion Lash Beauty Obsessed. It has her logo, and then it has Lash Icon's logo. This is really cute. Oh my God, and the color is kind of like more creamy. It's kind of oversized, so I kind of want to like switch to this shirt right now. This is so cute. I love it. Obsessed. Okay, then it has send Oh, send selfies. I was gonna say send nudes. This is so cute in like an old English font. Also more oversized. I love oversized t-shirts. They just feel more comfortable, and I feel like I can tie them. I can wear them with biker shorts. I can wear them at home just with like mini shorts. I love oversized t-shirts, and this nude on nude is really cute and very in. I feel like for November, October, I'm really gonna be using nude on nude on nude on nude. Oh my goodness, this is something that I had been seeing before, and I peeped it on Chanel's Instagram and I was ready for it. So it's a fanny pack. The little zipper thing has a heart on here. It has studs up front. This is definitely not my style. I'm more of a pink girl, pink aesthetic, not so like in your face. But I feel like this will still fit good in my collection. I can't wait to find the straps because you guys are gonna die over the straps. Let's see here. So it says happy birthday babe. I'm not sure if she's saying happy birthday because it was my birthday in July, or happy birthday because Lash Icon's birthday was in July. Lauren's birthday was in July. So let's open this. Okay, this is a little bit more, not on the thicker side. Usually our prints are super duper thick. Cute. Lash Icon, Lash Gang. This is beautiful. You know, Lauren, she's amazing with collages and just layering pictures. Her aesthetic is really like dark brown with pops of like burgundy red. This is beautiful. Lash Gang. Little sneak peek. This is really, really cute. I love it. It says the same thing as the t-shirt says, and then it says become the collage queen. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see this and you guys can screenshot it. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, I'm not gonna read over it, but I'll read this later. This is actually really pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, then what do we have here? We have like a little bag. Oh, some glasses. Ooh, baby. Are these like to see or just like fashion glasses? Let's see. Oh, you know what? I think these are like blue light glasses. So you guys can use them, of course, when you're like editing, when you're on your phone, like, because blue light's really bad for you. Like, I guess it doesn't let you sleep. Like, I'm not sure, but ooh, these are cute. And you know what? I think Lauren has these. How do I look with glasses? You guys want to know something? When I was younger, when I was like 8, all my friends had glasses, and I went to the optometrist and I told him that I couldn't see. He tested me and my vision was 20/20 perfect, and I cried because I wanted glasses. I thought they looked so cool and so chic, and I was so upset. I got so mad at him. I told my mom, I was like, he doesn't know what he's doing. Then when I became a teenager, I was like, oh, I'm so glad I have like 20/20 vision, because my sister, her eyesight's really, really bad. And now as a lash artist, I'm like, dang, like from far away, some letters, I'm like, they kind of get blurry, and I think it's because I'm lashing, of course. These glasses are really cute. I think they are like Blu-ray or something like that. Oh my god, guys, the Showcase by Kate as of late, storage for tweezers. So I do have a tweezer stand already. I don't want to be greedy, because who can have too many tweezer storage cases? So you guys know I am doing a giveaway, and it's ending today. So today, when you watch this video, last entries. And if you don't know about the giveaway, I'm sorry, but if you do know about the giveaway, you know how to enter already. I have some extra goodies that I am gifting you guys in that giveaway, and I'm gonna give you guys this as well, because I already have one and I don't need to be stingy. So I'm just not even gonna open it, but it's a tweezer case. Mine is from 𝒀𝑶𝑚𝑯𝑬𝑹, and I am giving you guys a Prep and Prime by 𝒀𝑶𝑚𝑯𝑦 and some other extra goodies by 𝒀𝑶𝑚𝑯𝑦. So this giveaway is really good, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh, what is this? I was gonna say, oh, we got edibles, but no, this is champagne bears. I think this is like those fancy gummy bears that are like super expensive. The kids are gonna love this. They're gonna enjoy that little snack. What is this? 𝒀𝑗abond tape. You guys know I love, love, love 𝒀𝑗abond tape. I can never have enough. And you guys are also getting 𝒀𝑗abond tape in the giveaway. Cute. I think this is a, yeah, this is a pop socket. I don't use pop sockets on my phone. I used to. I was so obsessed with having pop sockets on my phone. And now like my finger is indebted because I stopped using pop sockets. I just felt like they kept getting stuck on my pocket, or it was like a little bit too clunky, but I think I'm gonna start using them again. We got this. Okay, there's a lot more stuff in here. What is this? Okay. Oh, you know what? Before I go in here, I think the strap is in here because I'm like looking for it. Yeah. So you know what? I think this original bag came with this strap, but of course Chanel had to upgrade. What the hell? This is so dope. Like, Lash gang, oh my god. And then you can connect this to anything, so I could like connect it to my camera, and when I'm walking around with my camera, it's gonna be like Lash gang. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. How freaking dope. Okay, yeah, so that's what's in here. I was wondering where it was. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And then this is really cool too, but you guys know I'm not really into silver. I'm still gonna keep it because I know I'll figure it out. I have like silver earrings today, so what am I even saying? But okay, let's get into the last of the last. P.S. Tag us in your unboxing and take pictures in your dope tees. We would love to repost them. That's what's all the way at the bottom. And yeah, these are some freaking dope tees. Chanel comes out with the best stuff. Like, whoever she collaborates with, I'm like, oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, so this is Anthea. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Filed on July. Oh, okay, so this is like more coupon. Ooh. Ooh, this is so luxurious. What? This is the budget agenda. And guys, I needed this. I definitely do. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, Chanel went above. I don't have to say this, but you guys know in all the unboxings, I always say like, how is Chanel even doing this? Because she always goes above and beyond with everything you get in your boxes. I'm pretty sure when I was looking, when I was doing my consent forms, because I do my consent forms digitally, I'll have a video up here. I have like 2 iPad videos because that's where I do all like my business stuff on my iPad. So I'll have a video up here for you guys if you guys want to see how I do my digital consent forms. You guys don't have to keep them digitally. You guys can also print them out, but why are you going to print them out? I just feel like it's like a hot mess. When I would print them out, I would have to go in there and like find my clients' forms, and it was just like, I just decided to do it digitally. So I have a video on how I did those, and you could customize them however you want to fit your aesthetic. You can add your logo, things like that. And I looked on Anthea because she has so many agendas. Like, the one that we got is the budget planner. I'm seeing here she has an Instagram planner, a meal plan. She has a lot of different planners. I'll have her website linked down below if you guys want to check her out, because she also has, I think if I'm not mistaken, she also has consent forms and like files, so you guys can file all your clients and in a cute little chic thing like this. Of course, right now because of the C word, it's like not that sanitary to be giving your clients an agenda and them like writing and stuff. I feel like the iPad is just a little bit easier when you're done with your service and you're cleaning, like me, my recliner with like the Clorox wipes and Lysol spray and stuff like that. It's so easy to like wipe my actual iPad and the iPencil and like the little chip where I, you know, charge my clients. So I feel like it's a little bit more sanitary, but this is still so cute and so luxurious, especially like if you're in a bigger studio. Me, I'm like in my tiny little studio by myself. I have my iPad on me all the time, but if you have like a bigger team, this will be like something great to just have in the studio at all times, and all your clients' records are there and stuff like that. It's always great to have client records just in case anything pops up. You guys have your schedule matches up with them signing in and their notes and everything like that. It just all matches. So if anything happens, you know, you guys are both safe, you and your clients. So this box, like I said, like all the other boxes, were amazing. I just got a notification like 2 days ago saying my box for, what month are we on? August is arriving pretty soon, so I'm excited for that one too. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the Fashion Lash and Beauty Trunk beauty box, you should. She does the beauty trunks every 4 quarters, so it's like in spring, summer, you know, it's 4 quarters, so July, and then I think the next one is in October if I'm not mistaken, and you upgrade. So the beauty box that I have been unboxing is around $87 monthly, and the beauty trunk is quarterly, and that one is like 100 and something, but you get everything the big box has plus more stuff. So I'm sure if I just got the big box, I would have got the 2 shirts and maybe the tweezer stand, the glasses, and I'm not sure what else. But the trunk, you get extra stuff in there, and for the price, I feel like it's really good. I would have never bought this on my own, but because I'm getting, you guys know I love t-shirts, I'm getting t-shirts, I am okay with paying extra to receive other goodies. And like I said, look, I got something for you guys as well. I'm constantly getting stuff that I'm not going to use. I would have used this if I didn't do YouTube videos and I didn't give you guys everything that I really don't need. I would have, if I didn't do YouTube videos, I would have kept this, of course. I would have been like, ooh, more acrylic storage, because I love acrylics. I love acrylic storage containers, so I would have kept this, but I already have one, so I'm gonna give one of you guys this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to share it with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe to my face right here. Click it and you're subscribed to the channel, and don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.